You don't stumble upon Sa Calobra. You descend toward it, curve after curve, like a whispered secret the island only tells slowly. Here, where the mountains kiss the sea, the rocks echo with centuries of solitude, and the turquoise water waits patiently beneath towering cliffs. This is not just a beach, it's a meeting point of Mallorcan wildness, geological wonder, and quiet awe. The journey is dramatic, but the reward is stillness, salt air, and the sound of waves folding against stone. Welcome to Sa Calobra, where nature carved a masterpiece and left it open for us to walk through. Did you know Sa Calobra means the snake? It's named after the winding road that coils through the mountains to reach it. Few people know this beach was almost inaccessible until 1932, when the engineer Antonio Parietti carved a surreal road through the cliffs. Before the road, fishermen and farmers reached Sa Calobra by donkey paths, carrying supplies on foot down treacherous terrain. The cove is famous not just for its beauty, but for how it cradles the mouth of the Torrent de Pareis, a canyon carved over thousands of years. In fact, the Torrent de Pareis was declared a natural monument in 2003 because of its rare ecosystem and geological significance. The twin cliffs guarding the cove are like ancient sentinels. Some say they look like the pages of an open book facing the sea. Every summer, the natural acoustics of the canyon draw choirs to perform, a haunting concert where voices bounce between stone walls. Did you know parts of Cloud Atlas and other films were shot near Sa Calobra? Its cinematic curves and dramatic coast have drawn filmmakers from around the world. Locals once called the gorge Es Gorg Blau, the blue throat, for the way the river mouth narrows before it touches the sea. The sea at Sa Calobra stays astonishingly clear, thanks to the filtered runoff from the mountains above. Some say the beach is shaped like a bowl of light, where sunlight collects in ripples and never quite leaves. Long ago, pirates sought refuge in hidden coves like this. Sa Calobra's cliffs offered perfect lookout points. The small tunnel you walk through to reach the torrent's mouth was chiseled directly through rock. Its narrowness makes it feel like a secret path. Few tourists know that behind the pebbles lies a delicate ecosystem, home to endemic birds, wild goats, and hardy mountain flora. The silence in the Torrent de Pareis isn't empty. It's the kind of silence that feels sacred, as if the cliffs are still listening.
Por el sol, amor.
¿Cuánto se lo ponen en nómina? ¿Cuánto te ilumina?
Depende de los días.
Ah, no, bueno, un mes completo liberando un solo día. ¿Cuánto te lo están pagando? ¿4.50?
No, 420.
¿4.20? También lo pagan.
Ciao, Nino. Słuchaj, zostałem kamienie na plaży.
Schöne kalte Pizza mit oben drauf. So kalt.
andata sul